This is the Hakimonoe long-range Bluetooth 5.4 adapter. The adapter comes with the dongle and an external antenna that you can hook up to the dongle. To install the adapter, I attach the antenna to the device. You'll see that I currently don't have any Bluetooth capabilities, but then I plug in the device to the computer. Needs a USB 2 port. And it will auto detect the Bluetooth device. Here we can see the Bluetooth status now, and it's ready to roll. The Bluetooth adapter has a 150 meter or about 490 foot range.